Hi dear students, we have a new question in front of you. So today we are dealing with the chapter chemical kinetics. I hope you could see the question. In a reaction A plus B giving you product, the rate is doubled when the concentration of B is doubled, and the rate increases by a factor of 8 when the concentration of both the reactants A and B are doubled. The rate law for the reaction can be written as. Okay, so this is the question. So this is a previous question that came for NEET. So here the idea here is, first we will try to assume a rate law. Okay, we say rate law R is equal to rate constant, and we know the reactant first one is A, and we don't know the order, so we assume it as M, and the next one is the reactant is B, and we assume its order as N. Okay, now we need to identify this expression. So it was told like the rate is doubled when the concentration of B is doubled, initial case. So we say the rate is doubled means we say 2 times R. When what is happening when the concentration of B is doubled? So we say A is the same and the concentration of B becomes 2B, correct? 2B raised to n. We say this as equation. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now the next statement says that the rate increases by a factor of 8. That means it becomes 8R when the concentration of both got doubled. So we say this is 2A times M, and this is 2B times N, and we say this is equation 3. Now we will try to do this equation. So we say divide equation 1 by 2. Why we are dividing equation 1 by 2? Because if you divide that, we have the common factor A that will get cancelled off, so that we will get the order with respect to B very fast. Understood? So we divide, so this becomes R divided by 2R is equal to K by K, here A power M, correct, and B power N, and in the denominator what will come? A power M, correct, and 2B raised to N. So we know that this will get cancels off, correct? So this becomes R and R will get cancels off. So this becomes 1 by 2 is equal to, both are same, so here B will get cancels off. So we can say 1 by 2 whole power N. Now if you compare these two, we can say both are 1 by 2. So N will be equal to what actually? 1. Correct? So similarly, now we know the order with respect to B, that is 1. Correct? Now similarly, we will try to find A. Let's see how to do that. To get A, I may say we can compare equation 2 and 3. So divide equation 2 by 3. So equation 2 divided by equation 3. So if you do that, it will become 2R divided by 8R, correct, equal to K, this is A power M, and this is 2B raised to N. And if you are dividing, this will become K, and this will become 2A power M, and this will become 2B raised to N. Now why I have chosen 2 and 3? Because in that the concentration of B is remaining the same. So I can cancel this 2. So this will get cancelled off, and this will get cancelled. This R will get cancelled. So if you divide, this will become 1 by 4, and this is equal to A and A will get cancelled off. So 1 by 2 whole power M, correct? So now tell me, 1 by 4 can be written as, how we can write 1 by 4? 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to 1 by 2 the whole power M. So from this I could understand M is equal to 2. Now tell me, you got M and N. Now how you can write the rate law expression? So I can write the rate law as R is equal to K into A power 2 and B power 1, because it was M and N initially. So I got M and N value. So this was M. You remember the first equation, K This was a power m and b power n. So I substituted m and n values and I got this expression. R is equal to k into a power 2 and b power 1. So let's see whether that is present in the options or not. Okay. So in the options a power 2 and b power 1, it is present in option B. So my option B is the correct answer. I hope you understood, you got a fair idea. Okay. So if you need detailed lectures, you can contact Brainiacs classes. For NEET, you can completely join Brainiacs classes. We'll give you all sort of assistance what you need. Thank you.